Hi, I'm Amit Gulabani from Nysa Jewels in Orbit, Hyderabad. Nysa Jewels is the only studded store which only deals jewelry with color stones and diamonds and uncut diamonds. Our range starts from rupees 2500. This is the only branded 22 carat store in India. And the speciality is the weight, where a locket starts at half a gram and a earring which is there only for 2 grams, and the necklace will be around 15 to 20 grams, which will cost around 40 to 45,000 rupees with color stones, real precious stones. And other than this, we are into uncut diamonds, like we are making antique jewelry. The new collection is temple jewelry. The jewelry range starts from rings, earrings, necklaces, bangles, bracelets, chains. The finger rings are starting from rupees 4,000. The earrings are starting from around 7,500. And necklaces, as I said, it's from 40,000, 45,000. And bangles will be costing somewhere around 70, 80,000 rupees. All the jewelry is manufactured by us. The jewelry manufacturing unit is in Abbots. We take orders from customers also, and we do it however they want. The main difference between us and the other thing is the weight. We have concentrating more on the weight of the jewelry, which is like 5 grams. Maybe you are getting a good locket set. The chains are into 7-8 grams with stones. Where the other jewelers, the weight is much more. And the designs. This is the only store, if a customer comes, will see so much of variety in color stone jewelry. There are many, there are around 70, 80 necklace sets in color stones. 300-400 rings. When a customer comes inside, it's not necessary like they have to think a lot to buy jewelry, because our range starts from 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. So any walk-in coming in can just buy the jewelry from us. That is the main thing. Like they don't have to plan that they have to go and buy jewelry or something. It's affordable. It's a daily wear thing. Anybody can just walk in and see they like a pendant which will be costing 1,800, 2,000, 2,500, and they can just buy with gold. And we have a better buyback scheme. Like whenever they want to return it, they will get 90% of that. And anytime, whenever, throughout their life, they want to return the product, 75% is buyback if the product is intact. Yeah, it's good for people if they want to give a gift for their weddings and anything. Like start very easy, one locket, one bracelet. We have made gold very affordable basically in our store.